Hello and welcome to Facetious Gaming. My name is Sir Arn and today I'm bringing you another build tutorial for my dynamic build series. So last time we went through foundations, and if you haven't seen that then go back and watch that first. So what I did here was I decided to build all of these foundations that you saw last episode up. So this first one that I'm showing, I just built it straight up and did it in the same design as the stone house over there. It's very boring, very simple and plain, and God, such a bad build. As you can see though, it's all done out of the same material, save for the stairs, but it's the same material of stairs. And that's what this episode's about. It's using different materials to make your builds more interesting and better overall. So then we've got the second foundation that we saw, where we had the sort of bits on the side where I built it up, but I did it again in the same style as the first one. And again, even though the build is more dynamic, the use of materials are not. So now we'll be going on to this third build, where I decided to use stone bricks instead of cobblestone and replace the roof with red brick as opposed to more cobblestone. And the effect is a lot better, as I'm sure you can already see. There is a colour difference, and there's a contrast between the two materials used, the roof and the stone bricks. Now, the difference here, you can see that I've used blocks as opposed to stair blocks, and that's because of the texture pack. And that's because, like, my personal feelings about using stairs as roofs is not to, unless it's wood. Really randomly specific, but it's just what I do. I'm used to the old Minecraft where you didn't have brick stairs. So yeah, now we've got the next version where I added another floor. I used sandstone instead of stone brick for the walls, but I still use stone brick for the foundations and also the in-between layer. So I added this sort of hut thing on the top, which is directly above the porch, as you can see. Now this is the one where I shaved off all the corners, remember? So, and the one that Mexi took the mick out of. Thanks, Mexi. Love you really. So I changed the roof style by sort of adding these two extra bits on and making them sort of poke out and stuff. And so I changed the roof style. I don't know why I placed that block, actually. As you can tell, this is all post-production commentary. I don't know what I'm doing here. I guess I'm showing the window design. Yeah, probably. I tend to place windows sort of randomly wherever looks good. Once again, keeping things unsymmetrical and interesting and all of that stuff. Yeah, like I said, the main idea of this really though is how to change and change your materials to freshen your build up a bit. And then this final design was just an extreme version of the last build, where I put cobblestone up the sides, I did sandstone as the main walls, stone brick as the foundation. I added sort of pillars of wood and bits hanging off, and that weird antechamber that's sort of made of green stone in the texture pack. Now, really, I think that this build was a bit over the top in comparison to the last one. I would never build something like this, and if I did, then I would put a lot more time and effort into it. I built these in about like an hour or something, just under an hour maybe. But the roof design changes constantly. We've got that antechamber. It's a very, very strange build. There's also the way that it slopes differently, which is to do with circle algorithms, which I will detail probably next episode, which will be how to make circles in Minecraft. You can also see that the second floor is larger than the first floor, and the building sort of pokes out a bit and stuff. But yeah, once again, this is a very extreme version of what I did in the penultimate build there, and realistically, if you were going to do something like this, or if I were to do something like this, I would plan it out a lot better than just trying to make it extreme or whatever. So that's pretty much everything that I want to cover in this episode. Not very long, but the idea really is just to show how changing materials can radically change the look of your build. For example, the last one here, if I'd built that entirely out of cobblestone, it wouldn't look very good. I mean, it doesn't look very good anyway, but it would look even less good. So there we go. Yeah, I think next episode I'm going to do circle algorithms, because I've mentioned them twice now and they're pretty important. And the various circle algorithms that various programs use, and how to make your own, and all of that sort of stuff. These tutorials are actually really hard to make because they require so much planning and stuff, but I'll try to make more if and when I have time. Anyway, yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.